In this video, I will show you a very quick way to place your first order on Pinduoduo shopping app without using agents. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, and you see how to place your first order on Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to quickly place your first order on Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you search for the item you want to purchase. There are different ways to search for item on Pinduoduo shopping app. One of the way is to make use of search bar right here. Type the keyword of the item you are looking for and you're going to see a lot of results. The second way is by using your camera icon right here, which stands for image search. So when you upload item image into the app, then you are going to see a similar result. After you have successful search for the item, add item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. On getting to your profile, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here. Then it takes you to this page right here. So this is the product I'm going to purchase right away. So for me to make a purchase of this item, I have to click on here to select the item. So I'm paying the sum of 15.84 yuan to purchase this item. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on this place right here to proceed to checkout. So the item is going to be displayed right here, so you can see different color with different size. So next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down and make sure my Alipay is active. Then I have to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then I have to click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. It's as simple as that. So you can see payment done successful. So I can click on done at the top right here, done. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this icon right here to close the pump up. Then I can go to my profile. By the time I refresh, then the item I just purchased is going to be found right here. So right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the two items we just purchased on Pinduoduo. So this is how to place your first order on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business tutorial like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement coach or procurement agent, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.